Jesus calms the storm. One evening, Jesus and his disciples set sail across the Sea of Galilee. The water was calm, the sky was peaceful, and the disciples rowed as the sun set over the horizon. As they sailed, Jesus lay down at the back of the boat and fell asleep. But suddenly, strong winds swept over the sea, and dark clouds covered the sky. The waves grew higher and higher, crashing into the boat. The disciples tried to steady it, but the storm only got worse. Water poured in. The wind howled. The disciples, now terrified, shouted to each other, struggling to keep the boat from sinking. But through it all, Jesus remained asleep. Panicked, the disciples ran to him and shook him awake. "Lord, save us. We're going to drown," they cried. Jesus opened his eyes, looked at them, and said, "Why are you afraid? Do you still have so little faith?" Then, he stood up, stretched out his hand, and commanded, "Peace, be still." At that very moment, the wind stopped. The waves settled. The storm was completely gone. The sea was calm once again. The disciples stared in awe, whispering among themselves, "Who is this man, that even the wind and the sea obey him?" Through this miracle, Jesus showed them and us that no matter how fierce life's storms may be, he is always in control. If we trust in him, he will bring peace to our hearts and guide us safely through every trial.